Have you ever struggled with aligning walls or customizing components in Revit? Don't worry, we've all been there. Today, we'll walk you through a simple yet powerful steps to streamline your Revit workflows. So let's start. So start by customizing an interior wall type. If your desired option isn't on the list, no problem. Here's a quick fix. Duplicate an existing type, rename it, and adjust the dimensions. Now you've got a custom wall that fits your exact needs. When renaming, keep it short and consistent with your project standards to save time later. If you want to align walls to make it look clean and also make structural coordination a breeze, use the Align tool to connect your walls precisely to the grid. So this is how you do it. Hover, tab, and select the right layers to snap them perfectly into place. And if you see any mismatched poche fills, double-check your wall materials and unify them for a cohesive look across your plan. Sometimes grids don't match the model's origin, causing many alignment issues. So what you want to do is select the grids, unconstrain them, and reposition to center everything perfectly. And if you want to avoid disrupting other views, switch grid lines to 2D mode for isolated adjustments. So field layouts thrive on practical dimensions. So you want to use the Annotate tool to measure from the face of studs, not finishes. Also, round dimensions to the nearest half-inch for ease during construction. These small adjustments prevents headaches in the field. Revit actually calculates to 1/256 of an inch. But construction doesn't, so it's important to prioritize practicality. When creating spaces like massage rooms, ADA compliance is key. Ensure clearances meet guidelines while maintaining symmetry and flow. Mirroring walls can also help balance aesthetics and functionality. And there you have it, a clean, functional layout ready for field construction. So whether you're aligning walls or refining grids, these steps ensure your Revit projects are a cut above the rest. So I want to ask you, what's your favorite tip? Let us know in the comments. Don't be hesitant to comment below. Don't forget to also like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Revit tutorials like this one, and see you next time. Bye!